Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the top 3 altcoins to buy right now in the month of November. As you guys can see here in the past 24 hours, the market has been taking off very, high. It is up about 3.69% here. Our top gainers in the past 24 hours going to be Origin Trail, which is up about 42.22%. We have our highest volume here is going to be Bitcoin at 26.1 billion, which is a lot lower than usual, but it is making a move here. Same thing with Ethereum, 13.8 billion, and then obviously we see Bitcoin trading at around 62,000 right now, 2.66% higher. Ethereum is at all-time highs, up about 5.7%, trading at 4,600 or so. So all-time highs are here with Ethereum. It continues to go higher and higher, which was something we predicted. When Bitcoin hits its all-time highs, Ethereum usually lags a few weeks behind, and that's exactly what's been happening. Our next coin right here is going to be Binance Coin. We talked about this one in yesterday's video. It is up over 10.3%, guys. It is trading at $657. It is almost at the all-time high area as well. Solana is definitely trading at all-time highs at $253. It is up about 6.64% right now. Market cap keeps on climbing and climbing. It is now the 4th coin on this list. Then we have obviously Cardano up 2.5%, Ripple 5.8%, Polkadot 7%, Dogecoin is making a little bit of a move at 3%, Shiba Inu 4%. Terra about 6%, Avalanche another huge momentum one here at 18%. Everything seems to be green down here at around 3 or 4%, depending on which coin we're looking at. Even the FTX token down here at 9%. So all we're seeing is green this morning, and it's looking very, very nice here into Sunday, obviously, and hopefully the rest of Sunday will continue to boom like this. So guys, if you enjoyed this type of content and you want to see more of it, smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. We're trying to aim for 50,000 subscribers by the end of 2021. So subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video, and leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you going to be buying in the month of November. I will be replying to every comment on this video, so leave a comment and I will be replying, guys. So let's get into it. So the first altcoin is going to be Cardano, also ADA, also known as ADA. This one has been booming here in the past 24 hours, currently up 2.47%, trading at right under $2. In the past week, 2% higher. In the past month, we're actually down about 9.8%. And then on the 1-year chart, we're up 1,866%. So this coin last November was trading at 11 cents. We saw highs obviously here in May at 2.31, pulled back down to lows of $1, hit highs of over $3. So about a 200% gain happened here in a matter of 2 months. Then we pulled back down. We've been consolidating here for the past 2 months or so. Now after this consolidation, we're waiting for the next leg up. So that's exactly what we're waiting for right now, and trying to break obviously all-time highs. So 66.4 billion market cap currently in this coin. Volume is down 23% lower than usual at 1.7 billion. Typical hold time is going to be 69 days. Trading activity right here is 63% buy and 37% sell. Obviously, for those of you who are not familiar with this one, Cardano is a blockchain platform built on a proof-of-stake consensus protocol. This one validates transactions without high energy costs. Development on Cardano uses the Haskell programming language, which is described as enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled securities and stability. How does all that work? Well, Cardano's goal is to be the most, environmentally sustainable blockchain platform. It uses a unique proof-of-stake consensus mechanism called Outerbros. Now, as opposed to the energy intensive proof-of-work system currently used by Bitcoin, the Cardano blockchain is also divided into 2 separate layers: the Cardano settlement layer (CSL) and the Cardano computing layer (CCL). Now, the CSL contains the ledger of accounts and balances. The CCL layer is where all the computations for apps running on the blockchain are executed via the operations of smart contracts. Now, something to keep in mind, the idea of splitting the blockchain into 2 layers is to help the Cardano network process as many as 1 million transactions in a second, which is insane compared to, Ethereum or some of these other coins like Solana. I believe Solana, they do about 50,000, and then Ethereum does like less than like 15 or something like that, which is insane. So Cardano is definitely a coin that we're going to be looking forward to for the future. I mean, if you just compare it right now, 66 billion market cap, compare that to Ethereum, even just Ethereum at 543 billion, that's almost a 10x right there, just to get back to those areas where Ethereum is. So Cardano still has so much more upside in my opinion. So That's why Cardano is going to be on our list. And then number two, another coin we're definitely going to be talking about is going to be Solana, SOL. So this coin we've been talking about since $20, and we continue to talk about it once again because just like Cardano, it still has so much more potential and so much more upside because in my opinion, it's doing things a lot better than Ethereum right now, and it has so much more potential just to get back up to those areas that Ethereum is trading at. So there's about a 7x opportunity on Solana just to get to Ethereum's highs. So right now, in the past 24 hours, this one is up about 6.64%, $252 per coin currently. In the past week, it's up almost 30%, guys. Insane. Past month, 64%. And then on the 1 year chart, 12,340%. So this one was trading at $2 last year, and now it's trading at over, $252, which is insane. So obviously, if you invested $1,000 and you get a 10,000% gain, you would make some great money. You would make 100 grand or so. So this is over $100,000 possibly from a $1,000 investment, which is just insane. I mean, imagine just throwing $1,000 into a few coins, and as long as one of them took off, and Solana did, you would be making some massive gains. So currently, market cap at 76.8 billion, 3.5 billion in volume, 7% higher than usual. Typical hold time is going to be 17 days, 80% buy activity and 20% sell activity. It is ranked the number 3 coin. So obviously we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, then we have Binance Coin, and obviously Cardano. So those are the lists right there. Solana is a decentralized computing platform that uses SOL to pay for transactions. Solana aims to improve blockchain scalability by using a combination of proof of stake, consensus, and so-called proof of history. As a result, Solana claims to be able to support 50,000 transactions per second without sacrificing decentralization. Meanwhile, like we said, Cardano said what? As many as 1 million transactions, which is insane because Ethereum, I don't think it says right here, but I think Ethereum is a lot less. So one way Solana achieves high transaction speeds is via a combination of proof of stake consensus mechanism and a new mechanism called proof of history. Proof of history is designed to keep time between computers on a decentralized network without all the computers having to communicate about it and come to an agreement. Now, like Ethereum, Solana is a computing platform that can interact with the smart contracts. Smart contracts power a wide range of applications from NFT markets and DeFi to games and decentralized lotteries. So obviously, right now, we all know that NFTs are booming, and that's another reason why Solana is booming as well because of all this, the transactions going on. So, like Ethereum, one reason a user might choose an app that runs on Solana over, say, Ethereum is that the speeds are high and congestion is low, resulting in very low fees, which is obviously the big thing. So, guys, 50,000 transactions is a lot better than what Ethereum can do right now. So, definitely looking at Solana as a better alternative for the long term, in my opinion, for anybody that is interested in that. So Solana number 2, and then last but not least, number 3 is going to be a pure momentum play, one that I love for momentum, and it's going to be Avalanche. So Avalanche is already taking off, up about 18%. If you guys would have been following the channel, we called this one when it was trading around $60 or so, I believe. So it's made about let's just say about a 25 to 30% move since then. In the past week, we're up over 36%, past month 42%, and then on the 1 year chart, 2,411%. So this coin was trading at $3.40 just last year, hit highs here in February at around 55, pulled back down all the way to lows of about $10, and then from that $10 level, we're up to about 85 right now, which is over a 700% return. So in a matter of about 3 months, you could have invested $1,000 into Avalanche, and now it will be worth over $8,500, which is an insane gain in just a matter of 3 months. 18.6 billion market cap currently. Volume is up 100% higher than usual. Usually we're trading at around 500 million. Now we're almost at a 1 billion here in volume. It is ranked the number 8 coin, so it's climbing those rankings very quickly. 76% buy activity and 24% sell activity. Now, Avalanche describes itself as an open, programmable smart contract platform for decentralized applications. AVAX is used to pay transaction fees and can be staked to secure the network. Avalanche is compatible with Solidity, Ethereum's programming language, and can be used to deploy custom private or public blockchains as subnets. So definitely one of those interesting coins, guys. It's going to be our 3rd coin on this list. And then obviously now we're going to be looking at the rest of the market, see how everything is performing. Like we said in the intro, Dogecoin up 3%, trading at that 34.6 billion market cap. Shiba at 32 billion market cap, up 4.5%. So they're still battling it out right there. But I think that Shiba Inu is outperforming it definitely in the short term right now, as Dogecoin has still been trading around this 25 cents level for the past 3 or 4 months now. It's making a little bit of a move on up, but then it pulls right back down very heavily. So definitely interesting to see what's going to happen there. We have Bitcoin here in the past 24 hours, 2.6% higher from lows of 60,000 to highs of 62,000 right here. So it continues to go higher and higher Sunday morning. In the past week, we're actually flat. Past month, we're up 11.8%. Past year, 320%. So making a nice move here. 1.2 trillion market cap, 34% of the crypto market space. Volume is down about 15% lower than usual. 63% buy activity and 37% sell activity. Bitcoin continues to go higher and higher. Then we have Ethereum. Ethereum making highs, obviously, here in the past 24 hours, up about 5.7% from lows down here of about 4,300. Now we're hitting highs up here of over 4,600 in the past week, 6.3%, past month, 28%, and then on the 1 year chart, 963%, guys. Making a massive move. All-time highs at 4,661. It's getting there, guys. We're going to be booming higher and higher with Ethereum, and I would not be surprised to see $5,000 very, very soon. So 543.6 billion, 16% of the crypto market space. Volume is pretty much the same as usual at around 14 billion. 67% buy activity and 33% sell activity on Ethereum. We obviously think that Ethereum will continue to grow, will continue to gain on Bitcoin and overall market cap, obviously, as Ethereum continues to grow, especially once we have some updates and different things coming out in the future. So we're going to be watching it very, very closely. And obviously, there's some competitors to Ethereum as well. Like we said, Solana is definitely a big one in my opinion, and I would not be surprised if Solana beat Binance Coin in the short term and overtakes, up to that third spot. So guys, you let me know in the comments below. What do you think about these coins? What do you think is going to happen in the market space overall? And as always, smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 100+ likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so before investing, speak to your financial advisor. This is all for entertainment purposes only. This is a high risk, high reward type situation, and make sure you understand you know what you're doing when you're speaking to your financial advisor. As always, guys, I hope you have a great weekend, and I hope to see you guys the next one. Goodbye.